how to get Google Ads refund. Your Google Ads account banned and you have been looking for how to get a refund from Google Ads. You've added that money into your account, irrespective of how your account is suspended. Then I am going to show you how you can be able to get your refund from Google Ads. And not only that, I'm going to be showing you a proof of how I got my own refund. Let's get straight into it without further ado. Now I am going to be showing you a live proof in this video on how you can do that. Let me go to the tools and settings and go to the billing section, the summary section. Then I'm going to show you a proof of how I got my refund from Google Ads refunded into my card. So if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe as you are looking at this. Look at this proof right now as I zoom the screen out for you. Let's wait for it to load. Now when I go to billing activity, this is a live proof. Do you understand? So you are going to see this place, which is May 13 2023. You're going to see payment refunded, Mastercard 8805. Do you understand? And the cost of this, which was refunded, was $0.67. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you the steps by which I was able to get a refund from Google Ads even after my Google Ads account was banned. So what did I do? I actually went back to the home page. Let's say this is your home page. Do you understand? The next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on tools and settings. Once you click on tools and settings, then the next thing you want to click on is you want to click on preference. Okay, you're going to click on preference. Then once you click on preference, then let's wait for the next screen to load. Then the next thing you want to do right now is scroll down. Do you understand? You're going to see different kind of options. You want to scroll down and you're going to scroll down to the account status. Do you understand? Once you go to the account status, then in this place you will be able to cancel your account. You will see in this side, do you understand? This place, I have already canceled this account. Once you click on this place to cancel your account will be cancelled. And once your account is cancelled, wait on this video, let me show you the next step. Now once your account is cancelled, then you are actually going to get a mail from Google. Do you understand? You're going to get a mail from Google as this is the mail I get. But wait, before you can get refunded into your card must be a card that can receive payment back into it even without the account number attached to it. That is a card that can be automatically funded or deducted from Google Ads. So if you are in Nigeria needing a particular card that can work with Google Ads, you better chat me using the link below or go to that website and you'll be able to get across to me and get this solution on how you can pay for Google Ads in Nigeria successfully. I'm going to be seeing this message, which is Google Ads, your Google Ads account was cancelled, and that same day I was sent this. You're going to see Friday, May 5 or whatever. Do you understand? You're going to see this, your account was cancelled, your account 584, an email was sent to me immediately from Google saying this: you will get a refund soon. A refund from your Google Ads payment account 584032997 will soon be available if you made payment more than this to this particular card. Do you understand? Within 1 week. And let's check this Google Ads account number. If it's styling to this, you can see it. That same Google Ads account 584032997, and this was refunded to me around May 13. So the thing actually let's say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's actually 7 days. So this is how you are actually going to get a refund. You just need to cancel that account. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Of course, I can't force you. See you in the next video. Bye. My name is Ayo. Peace out.